interruption, ma'am. May you please start the recording?
हाँ मैंने अभी रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट किया बेटा.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So in this, the first topic is variable separable method. So as a name suggests, in this method you have to separate the variables. That is, you have to separate x terms having on one x having one side and terms having variable y on another side. If you are able to separate the variables, then this method will be applicable to find the solution of first order first degree differential इक्वेशन. तो ही ये मेथड एप्लीकेबल होगा. क्लियर है क्लास? इफ यू आर, आप सेपरेट करना के लिए ट्राई करते हो और आपके वेरिएबल सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, दैट मीन्स एक्स वाले टर्म सारे एक साइड हो जाते हैं, वाई वाले टर्म सारे एक साइड हो जाते हैं. इन दैट केस योर मेथड वेरिएबल सेपरेबल विल बी एप्लीकेबल. ठीक है. इन दिस जनरली वी कंसिडर द इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एम dx plus n dy is equals to 0. I mean by mentioning this bracket, mx is your m is a function of x. यानी m जो है उसमें कौन से वेरिएबल आ रहे हैं? x वेरिएबल आ रहे हैं. ny means it is function of y only. Here the variables are separated, so you can integrate this equation and you will find a solution for the required differential equation. ठीक है. This example you have done in the 12th standard also, but we will recall this method because we required it for the method that is exact and non-exact differential equation. So today's first example is solve e raised to the power 2x cos y cos y dx minus e raised to x sin y dy is equals to 0. ठीक है. आपका इक्वेशन क्या है? आपको इसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करना है. e raised to 2x cos y dx minus e raised to x sin y dy is equals to 0. So in the solution part, the first step, I am going to shift the second term on the right hand side of the equation. ठीक है. ये जो सेकेंड टर्म है उसको मैं राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट कर रही हूँ. द माइनस साइन विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्लस साइन. सो माय टर्म विल बी e raised to 2x cos y dx is equal to e raised to x sin y and dy. Now we have to separate the variables. That means x term on one side and y terms are on one side. So I am going to shift this cos y on right hand side and e raised to x on left hand side. ठीक है. इन दोनों की हम पोजीशन चेंज करते हैं. So here it will be e raised to 2x divided by e raised to the power x into dx equal to sin y upon cos y into dy. Now e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x can be mentioned as e raised to x into e raised to the power x. आप उसको e raised to x into e raised to x लिख सकते हो. e raised to x, e raised to the power x cancel हो जाएगा. So on left hand side the remaining term is e raised to x into dx. Right hand side term will be converted into 10y into dy. Now the variables are separate. आप चेक कर सकते हो, एक साइड सारे x वाले टर्म है और एक साइड सारे y वाले टर्म है. So now the next step is to integrate both the side. On left hand side you will integrate with respect to x, and on right hand side you will integrate with respect to y. So now we integrate both the side with respect to x and y. What is integration of e raised to x? e raised to x का integration क्या होगा?
e raised to x.
And what is
e raised to x?
e raised to x will be integration of e raised to x. Integration of 10y, 10y का integration what is integration for 10y?
y 10y
log
mod
ln sec x sec y
sec y plus c. ठीक है. Those who are not remembering the formula, just mention that integration of 10y dy, it is nothing but log mod sec y. So this is your final answer. So therefore e raised to x is equals to log mod sec y plus c is the general solution of the given differential equation. So here your first term is completed. किसी को कोई doubt है तो बोलो. किसी को कोई doubt है तो बोलो. One more thing, this arbitrary constant can be added on left hand side also. आपकी मर्जी है, ये arbitrary constant आप right hand side में add करना चाहते हो तो right hand side में, left hand side में add करना चाहते हो तो left hand side में. Clear है class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Class, in this it was just a differential equation. It was not initial value problem. यहाँ पर कोई initial condition provided नहीं थी. ठीक है? When the initial condition will be provided, you have to understand that they are asking for a particular solution. So you have to find a particular solution. इस केस में कोई initial condition provided नहीं था. So they are asking for a general solution. So in the next example, let us take an initial value problem. But they will not mention that it is an initial value problem. If condition is given, then it is an initial value problem. और आपको खुद को समझना पड़ेगा कि आपको particular solution पूछना है. So today's example number 2 is solve dy by dx is equals to y cot x given that y of pi by 2 is equals to 1. मेंशन कर लिया बेटा सबने क्वेश्चन?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me label this as equation 1. We will try to separate the variables in equation number 1. So in the solution part, I am going to shift this dx on the right hand side part. So left hand side part is dy is equals to dy by y, and I'm going to shift this y on the left hand side. So now my equation 1 will reduce to dy by y equal to cot x into dx. Now my variables are separated, so I'm going to take integration on both the side. Dy by y is equals to integration cot x into dx. Now dy by y, integration of dy by y, it is nothing but it is log mod y is equals to integration of cot x. What is integration of cot x?
Log sin x.
Ln sin.
Sin x.
Log mod sin x. Because each and every term is having log, so arbitrary constant we will consider is log c. ठीक है, पूरे में log आ रहा है इसलिए हम arbitrary constant क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? log c ऐड कर रहे हैं. And those who are not remembering formula, just mention that integration of cot x dx, it is nothing but log mod sin x. This you have done in the 12th standard. ठीक है, log mod sin x. So we will further simplify this expression by applying the property of a log.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, can you put the question in question screenshot or something in the chat, because due to internet connection I cannot see the text properly.
Wait a second बेटा, let me complete this.
Okay, ma'am.
So log y, we will simplify this expression, that is log mod y is equals to log mod c into sin x. I have applied the property of log on right hand side. ठीक है, log की कौन सी property apply की है? log a plus log b can be mentioned as log a into b. Now in the next step we will take e power on both the side to remove this log. So when you take e power, e raised to the power log mod y is equals to e raised to the power log mod c sin x. So this will become y is equals to c sin x. So this is my equation number 2. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है तो बोलो. बेटा आपको क्या चाहिए? यू वांट क्वेश्चन ओनली?
Yes, ma'am. Because I cannot see anything with bad internet connection, means on the screen.
So in the chat box, I'm just mentioning the differential equation. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है तो बोलो। क्लास यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है तो बोलो। क्या यहाँ हमारा सम कंप्लीट हो जाता है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
The question.
The general solution.
This is a general solution. So is a general solution. We will mention that this is a general solution. But in the question they had asked for particular solution. उन्होंने particular solution पूछा है, but उन्होंने mention नहीं किया है. We have identified this from the given condition. So now the condition says that when my value of x is 0, the value of y is pi by 2. ठीक है, ये मेरे x की वैल्यू है और ये मेरे y की वैल्यू है. This is the value of x and this is my value of y. So we will put x is equals to 0 and y is equals to pi by 2. Sorry, कुछ गड़बड़ किया है बेटा. Check the initial condition. What is the initial?
Why
Value of
Pi by 2 equals to 1.
So y of pi by 2 is equals to 0. So let me change the. So in
equals to 1,
place
ma'am. Ma'am. Equal to 1.
Ma'am, 1
equals to
equal to 1.
equal to 1. So we will put x is equals to pi by 2 and y is equals to 1 in general solution. That is my equation number 2. ये मेरी equation number 2 में मैं put कर रही हूँ. So in place of y, 1 equal to c sine pi by 2. Value of sine pi by 2. This is 1. So 1 equal to c into 1. So my value of arbitrary constant is 1. Now I'm going to put this value, arbitrary constant value, in equation number 2 to obtain a particular solution. So put c is equals to 1 in 2. ठीक है, हम c की वैल्यू किस में पुट कर देते हैं? हमारे जनरल सॉल्यूशन में पुट कर देते हैं. दिस इज माय जनरल सॉल्यूशन. सो y is equals to sin x is a particular solution. Clear है class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कोई डाउट है अभी? एक सम ट्राई करेंगे बेटा आप सब.
Yes, ma'am.
So as soon as you complete this example, just raise your hand. Okay, today's example number 3. Example 3. Again only single word. Solve dy by dx is equals to 2y plus 1 given that y of 0 is equal to 1. $74 कंप्लीट हो गया बेटा. मंदार कंप्लीट हो गया बेटा एक आपका एग्जाम्पल.
Ma'am, example 3?
हाँ
No, ma'am. I'm still writing the question.
ना, आपका हाथ खड़ा हुआ है इसलिए आई थॉट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड.
No, ma'am. Sorry. It must be by mistake.
रोल नंबर 70 आपका भी कंप्लीट हो गया या स्टिल यू आर डूइंग?
No, ma'am, completed.
शेयर योर सॉल्यूशन इन द चैट बॉक्स बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
और किसी को सॉल्यूशन मिला? रोल नंबर 43 कंप्लीट हो गया बेटा आपका? रोल नंबर 43 देव,
Yes, ma'am.
कैन यू शेयर द सॉल्यूशन?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
चलो 69, 63 has also completed.
Ma'am, I have shared the solution.
हाँ बेटा मैंने देखा वो सॉल्यूशन. देव आपके सॉल्यूशन में करेक्शन है बेटा. यार वैल्यू ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन रॉन्ग किया है आपने.
हाँ, yes, ma'am. वो 2 लेना भूल गया.
So make a correction in that. Class solution is visible. Those who have not completed, just look at the screen now and verify whether your solution is correct or not. जिन लोगों का complete हो गया, जिनका बाकी है, you can mention the solution. So again we are separating the variables. So here this is dy by 2y plus 1 equal to dx. This won't work in the examination. You have to provide each and every step. So here the variables are separated. So now we will take integration on both the side. So integrating both the side. So when you integrate the left hand side, we have to take a substitution. Substitution हम क्या ले रहे हैं? 2y plus 1 is equals to t consider कर रहे हैं. So it will be 2 dy is equals to dt. So now my this left hand side integration will be converted into dt by 2 whole divided by t. So 1 by 2 integration dt by t. So this will be 1 by 2 log mod t. Now what is value of t? It is nothing but 2y plus 1. So left hand side integration will be 1 by 2 log mod 2y plus 1. That's why here directly he has mentioned that the term is log 2y plus 1 by 2. ठीक है, ये प्रोसीजर उसने नहीं दिखाया है, बट ये इंटीग्रेशन आपको इसकी सब्स्टिट्यूशन की हेल्प से मिला है. ठीक है, लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड साइड इंटीग्रेशन इज x plus c. नाउ दिस इज योर जनरल सॉल्यूशन. From general solution we will derive the exact solution. The condition is given that when x is 0, value of y is 1. So we will replace y by 1 and x by 0. So your left hand side will be log 3 by 2 equal to c. Now we will put this value of c in the general solution. इस general solution में हम यहाँ पर put कर देते हैं. So we will get this final solution. Clear है class? जिन लोगों का 2 मिसिंग है वो अपने अपने इंटीग्रेशन में वो एक बार चेक कर लो. क्लियर है क्लास? सबको सेम आंसर ही मिलेगा, अलग आंसर नहीं मिलने वाला है. डन? क्लास कंप्लीट हुआ थर्ड एग्जांपल सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 2 examples for homework. Mention today's homework. Example. Solve the following differential equation. Solve the following differential equation. That is, fourth example is 1 plus x square into dx is equals to xy into, change the left hand side 1 plus x square into dy is equals to xy into dx. xy into dx. And second example, that is fifth example for the homework, is dy by dx equal to 2x minus 1 y plus 1, given that y of 0 is equals to 0. Y of 0 is equal to 0. So this was your first method, method number 1. Now method number 2 deals with the solution of linear differential equation. Okay, you have done this part also in 12th standard, but just we required this part, so we are going to revise this part. So your method 2 deals with the solution of linear differential equation. Method 2 deals with solution of linear differential equation. This is a standard abbreviation, LDE. That means linear differential equation. So method number 2, remember that method number 2 deals with the solution of linear differential equation. Now in this case we are having a standard form of linear differential equation. So the first form is the first form of linear differential equation, where your y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. In that case your differential equation is dy by dx plus p of x y is equals to q of x. Here your p and q are function of x only, or they can be a constant. In this case we are having a standard solution. हमारे पास इसका solution already available है. What is the formula? So standard solution formula is y e raised to into integrating factor is equals to integration q into integrating factor plus c, where if is an integrating factor and the formula of integrating factor is integrating factor, and integrating factor formula is e raised to integration p dx. क्लियर है? जब आपका डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में y डिपेंडेंट होगा और x इंडिपेंडेंट होगा, उस केस में योर standard linear differential equation will be dy by dx plus py is equals to q. In that case the solution formula will be y into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor plus c, and your formula for integrating factor is e raised to integration p dx. ठीक है, इसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कंपेयर द गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विद द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p एंड q. आपको पहले p एंड q की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, then find integrating factor and then put the value of integrating factor and value of q in the standard solution, and then you have to integrate your right hand side to find the solution. क्लियर है क्लास? क्या करना पड़ेगा इसमें? तो पहले मुझे जो भी इक्वेशन गिवन है उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के साथ कंपेयर करके दो वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है. कौन सी दो वैल्यूज? p की वैल्यू और q की वैल्यू, ये दो वैल्यूज मुझे फाइंड करनी है. देन इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू विल फाइंड द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर. फॉर्मूला ऑफ इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज e raised to integration p dx. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग दिस इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर you have to put two values. in the solution formula, that is integrating factor. कौन सी दो values आप put करोगे? Integrating factor and value of q, and then integrate your right hand side part to find the final solution. Clear है आपका solution procedure क्या होगा इसमें? Now this is your first form where your y is dependent and x is independent. The role of x and y can be interchange. ऐसा possible है कि कुछ equation में x और y की values role interchange हो जाए. In that case you will have second form of linear differential equation. The second form of linear differential equation. The second form is dx by dy plus p of y into x is equals to q of y. ठीक है, इस केस में आपका सॉल्यूशन फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? इस केस में आपका सॉल्यूशन फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? बोलो क्लास. इस केस में
F into
X into
integrating
integrated
factor.
factor is equal to integration factor q into if into plus c.
Role of x and y will be changed in this formula. ठीक है, x यहाँ y की जगह क्या कर दोगे? x कर दोगे, और जहाँ x है वहाँ आपको क्या कर देना है? y कर देना है. So let us mention the solution formula for the second form. So the solution formula. So your solution formula for the second form is x into integrating factor is equals to q into integrating factor plus c. और यहाँ एक टर्म कौन सा मिस कर दिया है मैंने? यहाँ पर आपका टर्म आएगा dy और यहाँ टर्म आएगा dx. I have missed this two terms. क्लियर है? दोनों में डिफरेंस पता चलेगा कहाँ पर फर्स्ट फॉर्म अप्लाई करना है और कहाँ पर सेकेंड फॉर्म.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me take one example. एक example हम we are having 5 minutes, so we can complete one simple example. Remember that your in the standard form of linear differential equation, ये जो हम standard form consider करते हैं, in this case the coefficient of dy by dx is always 1. If it is not 1, then you have to make it 1 by dividing the whole equation by the कोफिशिएंट. ठीक है, ये 1 ही होना चाहिए, 1 नहीं है तो आपको उसको 1 में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो इन दिस फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 फॉर मेथड 2, दैट इज सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो अगेन सॉल्व dy by dx plus 1 upon x square y equal to 6 e raised to 1 upon x. So my first step in the solution procedure is to compare the given equation with the standard form. So let me label the given equation as 1. I am going to compare. My step number 1 is to compare the given equation. Compare 1 with the standard form, that is dy by dx plus py is equals to q to find p and q. ठीक है, मुझे कंपेयर करके दो वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है, p and q की वैल्यू. सो व्हेन आई कंपेयर दिस टू इक्वेशन आई विल गेट p as 1 upon x square and q as 6 e raised to 1 by x. So therefore my value of p is 1 upon x square and value of q is 6 e raised to 1 upon x. ठीक है, now my step number 2 is to find the integrating factor. Step 2, find integrating factor. I am labeling it as IF. IF means integrating factor. So the formula of integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration p dx. Now I am going to put the value of p. So e raised to integration 1 upon x square into dx. What is integration of 1 upon x square? 1 upon x square का integration क्या होता है?
minus 1 by x.
So it is
Minus 1 by
so e raised to minus 1 by x. This is my integrating factor. So in step number 3, I will mention the standard solution formula and put the value of integrating factor and q. So solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q integrating factor plus into dx plus c. Now I am going to put two values. कौन सी दो values मुझे put करनी है? एक तो integrating factor की value put करनी है और एक q की value put करनी है. And then I will integrate my right hand side part. So let me put the value of integrating factor. Y e raised to minus 1 upon x equal to integration q. What is value of q? It is 6 times e raised to 1 upon x into integrating factor e raised to minus 1 upon x plus c. Now if you see here, your base are same, therefore we can add the powers. When you add the power of e will become 0. So now your right hand side is 6 times e raised to the power 0 plus c. Now something raised to the power 0 or any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So your right hand side is 6 times dx plus c. So when you integrate your right hand side, you will get e raised to minus 1 upon x is equals to 6x plus c. Now if you want to further simplify it, this will become y is equals to 6x e raised to 1 by x plus e raised to 1 by x into c, which is a required general solution, is the general solution. अभी यहाँ तक किसी को कोई सॉल्यूशन प्रोसीजर में डाउट है तो बोलो. क्लियर है क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, it is already 11 o'clock. So if you have any doubt in today's session, let me know. आज के सेशन में किसी को कोई डाउट है तो बोलो अभी.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है, 2 examples are given for homework. So complete those examples and we will meet on Thursday. ठीक है, on Thursday we will complete this linear differential equation, that is form 2, and we will do some examples of form 1 also, and then we will complete the Bernoulli's equation. Clear है class? If you have no
Yes,
doubt,
ma'am.
you can go for your next class.